Okay friends, welcome back. We're going to do a tutorial for Emerald AI 3.0 and JUTPS 3, the newly released package. I promised that I would do that, and this is going to be that. So I'm going to pause the recording while I get the two packages installed and the custom script that I will be attaching from Google Drive in the description imported into the project. All right, now that we've got both Emerald AI and JUTPS imported, we've also imported the damageable AI.cs from the Google Drive. We have a couple of things to do first, and that is to create a layer and a tag. We're going to call both the layer and the tag AI character. And once that's done, we are going to grab the demo character from the Emerald AI. So we're going to go to demo source, prefabs AI, and I like to just use the Grenadier melee, so we'll throw him in the scene. Once he's in the scene, we're going to change both his tag and his layer to AI character, just like that, and we'll say no, just this object only. And then down all the way at the bottom, we'll notice that we don't have our custom script yet, so we will add a component, and we will call that the damageable AI. And then as the previous tutorial, we're still going to use the manually specified colliders. However, the Emerald AI component, I've changed the script a little bit where it just grabs it on startup, so we don't have to assign both of these values. But anyways, for these colliders, we'll just add an array element, and there's a box collider up here. We'll grab that and drag it down in. Just like so. So that's going to basically just tell us what the damage area of this mob is. And we can add more granular colliders if that's what we want to do, and just add them to the list. And then you've got hands, body, head, legs. This JUTPS version is very granular when it comes to damage, and it'll add extra damage to the head, hands, or whatever you specify. We're not going to get into that here. This is going to be just a very quick and dirty, get it going kind of thing, and this is all we need for right here. Now, another thing that we want to get going is the melee system, and that is inside the TPS character armature. So when we go into the armature and we expand these, we're going to go into the spine, spine 1, and then we've got our right shoulder and our left shoulder. And if we expand these, we have this hitbox item, and this is new. So this hitbox, basically we can do either ray casting, or we can do tag detection. I chose to do tag detection on this, so we're going to add a tag, and we're going to add a new tag that we just did, which is AI character. And we want to add this to both the right and the left arm hitbox. So now that we have both of the hitboxes defined for both the right hand and the left hand, when we punch this guy, he should actually take damage. And I've taken care of all of the kind of discreteness, if you will, inside the custom AI, the damageable AI. I took care of the, if the game object.tag equals skin, then we actually look for this damageable component, or the damager component, and then send damage to the Emerald AI from that. So at this point, with that script added to our Emerald AI, he should take damage, and he does, and he should take melee damage as well. So the hitbox is a little bit squirrely. We can adjust that or whatever. Maybe I'll just leave it alone. You can adjust it however you want, because obviously this AI is probably not what you're going to be using in your game. So you can adjust the colliders however you want. But there is one last thing that we need to do, and that was this guy did not detect the player. So inside our Grenadier Melee, that's going to be in our detection and tags. And sorry, you can hear my bird talking to me. There we go, tag options. So it's in detection and tags, tag and faction options, and then tag options. And then for our detection layers, we want to set this to player, or character, I'm sorry. It's character in JU. And then now when we shoot him, he should come running over to us. We'll give it a quick test. Yep, so he's coming over, and then when he comes over here, I'll try punching him again, just without all of these other targets to hit. And we'll see if that works any better. Yeah, it totally does. So that's that. It's actually much easier this time around. There's a lot less things to change. I think it has to do with the granularity of the actual JU kit. It seems really robust, well put together, and yeah, this should be a nice starting point for you to get Emerald AI integrated and do whatever you want with it. So good luck and happy game dev.